Welcome to the CASIO Watches Bluetooth app. One app to control all Bluetooth-enabled timepieces we create here at Casio, including Gshock, MTG, Mr. G, Edifice, and more. As of 2022, all future releases of Gshock and Edifice watches will be available to be controlled via this app, with a view to consolidate all current Casio applications into this one over the course of the next 12 months. Let's get started. Casio ID. To use the Casio Watches app, you'll need to log in with your Casio ID. Casio ID allows all your watch setting preferences, fitness data, and more to be stored in one place, providing easy setup when changing devices and ensuring your key achievement data does not disappear if a device is lost or stolen. If you don't have an account, simply create one by entering your information with an email address and password of your choice. Once you've completed setup via the confirmation email, you'll be able to log in and get started. Pair your watch. To connect your watch to the Casio Watches app, in the My Watch screen, press the Add symbol in the lower right of the screen. Enter the module number found on the back of your watch. From here, the app will list the watches within the range. Simply select your timepiece and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch to the app. Once connected, the app will automatically set the time and date on your watch. Your watch's home screen allows you to set a custom name for your timepiece. Your watch's Bluetooth status and solar power reserve is displayed underneath. A full interactive instruction manual can be found here too, providing detailed instructions to ensure you get the most from your watch. Casio Bluetooth watches offer a wide variety of wirelessly controlled features, in addition to the standard features built into your timepiece. For example, a standard Gshock watch will feature a stopwatch, countdown timer, alarms, and world time that can all be controlled via the buttons on your timepiece. A Bluetooth-enabled Gshock watch will allow all these functions to be customized and set wirelessly via the Casio Watches app. In addition, Bluetooth-enabled watches provide enhanced features such as world and home time. Casio Bluetooth watches will automatically update the time anywhere in the world as you travel. This unique feature is achieved by utilizing your mobile phone's GPS signal. Your watch will automatically check the time in your current location 4 times a day, as well as each time you connect to the app. World time allows you to set and view a secondary time zone on your watch. Select World Time in the app to use the interactive map to manually select or search for a location of your choice. From here, you can view the current time in this location and set this as the world time zone on your watch. The updated time zone can be found in World Time Mode, WT. Select Home Time in the app to view the main time zone your watch is set to. This matches the time zone set on your mobile phone and will update automatically as you travel. Changing time zone display. To switch the world time zone with the home time zone, simply select Watch Settings. From here, select Change Time Display. Here, you can view each time zone and switch them over. Your watch will then update the time accordingly. Phone Finder. A useful feature found in all Casio Bluetooth watches is a built-in phone finder. Designed to help you find your phone even when on silent, this feature will cause your phone to emit a loud sound at the push of a button on your watch. In the Phone Finder menu in the app, you can configure the ringtone and ring volume that sounds when activated. Phone Finder activation methods can vary between our watches. Remember to review your watch's instruction manual to identify which button will activate this mode. In this example, holding the lower right button for 3 seconds will activate Phone Finder, shown when Find starts to flash on the watch's screen. Your mobile phone will now ring with your chosen tone for 30 seconds. Once found, simply unlock your phone or press any button on your watch to stop it. Phone Finder requires your mobile's Bluetooth and location services to be switched on and will operate approximately within a 30 feet radius of your device. Alarm and timers. The Casio Watches app provides quick alarm and timer settings. This example here shows a Gshock watch with 5 daily alarms. Simply tap an alarm to set the time. Once your chosen alarms are set, select Send Setting to Watch to activate them on your timepiece. Signal alarm when activated will cause your watch to emit a sound at the turn of each hour. Timer mode allows you to set a countdown of up to 1 hour. This set duration can then be found in the timer or TMR mode on your timepiece. When using the timer on your watch, a notification will sound once the countdown reaches 0. Reminder. Reminder mode allows your watch to display notifications on set days when schedules or events have been registered within the app. In this example, 5 reminders can be set. Simply select a reminder slot, input the subject of your reminder, and configure which date you would like this to appear, along with how often you would like it to be repeated. Watch settings. The Casio Watches app provides easy access to key settings on your timepiece. Select the drop-down menu to customize your watch further, with setting adjustments that suit you. Key sounds. When activated, will cause your timepiece to emit a sound when each button is pressed. Deactivate to operate your watch silently. Light. Allows you to set the length of time your watch's backlight will display when activated. Watch display. Provides essential display options. Time can be shown in 12 or 24-hour variations. Date format can be adjusted to show either the month or the day first. Day of the week languages can also be adjusted. Power saving. When activated, will aim to save power whilst you sleep. Your watch will enter a power-saving state during the hours of 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. when not in use and in the dark. Remember, Bluetooth watch functions will vary depending on which timepiece you own. Please consult your instruction manual for a full list of available features. The Casio Watches app will continue to develop new and exciting features with each watch release. Ensure your app is updated frequently for the latest functions. Thank you.